Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here. Alright, it's early. I can't do the normal intro. What's up, y'all? It's Molives. It's your boy. We're out here in Arizona, Phoenix. Right here is called Hole in the Rock. It's just like a little few-minute hike all the way up there. But we're trying to catch the sunrise, baby. You know, Sunrise Chasers 2K19. Let's get it going.
Hey there, what's that sound? Something is calling from on the ground. Hey, I didn't notice. Hey, I didn't notice. We're not slowing down. Something is calling from on the ground.
I was feeling some type of way this morning, you know, your boy had to come catch a little sunrise, get on a little adventure. I was going through some old tweets and some old Instagram posts, and I'm like, damn, Molives, where's the fire, bro? Had to get re-inspired, you know, come out here, check out this infamous hole in the rock right here. You. Hello. 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 Yeah, this is pretty freaking dope. Not gonna lie. Unfortunately, the sunrise is over here, so we're gonna be going over here. Check it out. Looks like one of these rocks is gonna be the spot. Ooh, that is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I would like to get up there, but I don't think I'd be able to get down. So this rock is gonna do. How you doing, Mr. Rock? Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm on a layover right now, and I gotta be back at the airport at like 12:30. So I gotta head back to the hotel, grab some breakfast, hopefully take a nap because it's like 7 a.m. right now, and then hit the airport. Super easy day today. Dead heading to Kansas City, and then we work 2 flights back to LA, and then we're done back for the weekend because you know it's the Super Bowl Sunday coming up. Your boy Tommy Brady's gonna beat the Rams. Let's go. Can't freaking wait for that. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, new mystery flight on Tuesday, February 5th. I swear, I promise you guys this is gonna happen this time. I'm not bringing any cash to the gym the day of, you know, so I should be good financially. Your boy's been working, you know, I can afford a couple gumdrops along the way on my crazy travels, so woo! Stay tuned for that. Miles, how do you have so much energy at 7 a.m.? I really don't. As soon as this camera goes away, I'm like, I love a good sunrise, you know, it gets the day off started right, and the sunrise, and it already set just like that. We're in Kansas City right now. Already some bad news.
Never mind your $900 phone, don't forget the charger.
Right, yeah, I'm not gonna forget the charger. Alrighty, yep, alright, see you later, dude. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? just act natural, just act natural. What, no?
What is that?
What's what? I don't, what? This?
Paparazzi.
That?
Oh.
Oh, that? It's nothing. Jen, why are you breaking airplanes? What are you doing? Why are you breaking airplanes, Jen?
Oh, sorry.
Come on. Alright, so pretty much what happened, guys, you know, we were all boarded up, we were all ready to go, you know, 2 flights, going to Houston, then to LA, and then a little maintenance issue kind of went down. Well, yeah, well, you guys never seen a vlogger before? What's going on? Yeah, so now we're waiting for another plane to get in. Lands in about 20 minutes. So we're pretty much gonna do the same exact thing. Oh yeah, and we're not getting paid for any of this, guys. Like I said before in another video, we only get paid for when the door is closed to when the door is open. So all this delays, maintenance, boarding, deboarding, waiting around, $0. But our duty day is gonna go over 12 hours and 30 minutes. And if it hits 12 hours and 31 minutes, we get double time on the last leg. And the last leg, Houston to LA, is worth 3.5 hours. So that's good. We like that. So this whole not getting paid, no biggie. We're gonna make it up. So we're gonna try this one more time. Guys, it's literally been like 7.5 hours into our duty day. Haven't worked a single flight yet. So I just took like a 10-minute nap. You know, your boy's feeling a little bit rejuvenated. You know, trying to get it going. 2 more flights. Anybody can do 2 more, right, Jen?
That's right.
Right?
Uh-oh.
Jen, can you do me a big favor?
What?
Just don't break the plane.
Okay, I'll try not to.
Alright, so I want to be honest, guys, that was one of the longest days of my entire life, like in terms of like flying. Duty day was 14 hours, it was absurd. But we're back at the crib, guys, check it out. Another day, another Airbnb. I'm at this one with Kazi for the next couple of weeks. We're in Hollywood, we gotta give you a little tour of the joint.
Welcome to my crib.
What's good, my G? Yo, the new spot, which is weird because we're actually only here for like another 2 weeks. And bro, I'm not even gonna be here. I'm going on a mystery flight tomorrow. And then I'm literally gonna be gone for like maybe like a week. and then I'm going to Rhode Island for like a week. So like I'm serious. Yeah, I'm leaving on the 13th. So like we leave this place on the 16th. But we enjoy things as they are. You know what I'm saying? We don't worry about the future. We live in the present. Nice kitchen, Molives. We got the essentials. You know, we got the Sprite. Kids don't drink. It's bad for you. You'll die. All right, this is Kazi's room. Check it out. I'm sure it's clean. Oh yeah, nice bathroom. I know what you guys are wondering. Molives, how do you live with such a messy person? It's tough. I literally clean up after this guy every day.
Not true.
And, oh, it's not true?
Case.
It's not true?
He's cleaned up the kitchen a couple times a day.
Yeah. I clean the kitchen a couple times a day. Who does that? You're not supposed to. You don't have to. As you can tell, my bathroom is obviously nice and clean. Everything's beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Guys, cause like I don't have like a lot of stuff. I never like live somewhere, so when I have like a place that's like mine, I take pride in it, you know? Check out the shrine. It's just gorgeous, you know? I keep everything nice and neat. That's a real Louis bag. It's really fake. That's the OG. You know, I'm gonna be using this tomorrow night. Mystery flight, that's how we do it, baby. And yeah, I didn't get to pick the sheets, but if I did, they probably wouldn't change them anyways. They're very nice. This is the most important thing in the house. I have had this helmet for like 3 months, but your boy doesn't have a motorcycle yet. You know, I'm gonna get a motorcycle at some point. I don't know when. Genuinely, I would like to tell you guys. I would also like, you know, one to just fall out of the sky, but it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen like that. But I promise, I'm gonna get you a bike one day, buddy. I got my DSLR camera back, and the audio wasn't working, and I got it back, and it still doesn't work. So that's not a good look. What's going on here?
Dry face.
That's a dry face?
Well, I have a dry face.
You haven't been on YouTube in a while.
I've been on YouTube in a while.
You're wearing the same Yoshi shirt you've been wearing for a while.
Yep, I'm trapped on this laptop. I'm trying to build something I haven't told anybody about, so I can't really get too much into it. But
give them something. Give the people something.
As it pertains to Molives, we're gonna be working on content. We're gonna be doing content together. How do I even say it? We had a mansion this summer to all the. If you guys have been here for at least 6 months, you know we had a Bel Air mansion this summer. That passed. We're getting another one, something much bigger, much more exciting. Let's get some like series done in the crib, like a visual podcast, freaking I can't even really go too into it, but we want to do a lot of dope shit. And Mom's gonna be helping out. He's pretty much gonna be the leader of that content stuff. So this is me doing boring business stuff for the past 6 months. That's where I've been up to. But my channel will be making its 43rd comeback sometime soon, and you guys will see what I've been up to.
Okay, wow, yeah. Thanks for using my channel as a little Kazi manifesto piece.
Guys, leave the link in the description.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. Patriots won the Super Bowl last night, but I'm also gonna show you this clip from last night and do my outro. You gotta be honest with the people. You know what I'm saying, man? They want the realest, dealest stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick little flashback to last night. New mystery flight tomorrow. Check it out. I'm out here with the squad. We out here. Your boys from Roadie, so Tom Brady is up 7 points to the Rams. Minute 47 seconds going right now. We're downtown LA. Check out the vibes. We got the Patriots vibes going. We got the balloons. Everyone here is a Rams fan. Everybody over there, but this is the Patriots section. Mary, how you feel about this?
I'm very stressed.
Really?
This is very important.
Big football girl. She's
Big football girl. Big Alabama fan, but we're rooting for Patriots.
Suicide, yeah, they're never on my side, yeah, I'd rather hang inside, yeah. You wanna give me
me your love